How to use AI Image Generator in Picsart. Want to turn text into art? Let's explore the AI Image Generator in Picsart. First, open the AI Image Generator from the main menu or Tools section. Type in a creative prompt like futuristic city at sunset or cat in astronaut suit. The more specific, the better. Choose the style you want: cartoon, photorealistic, abstract, or many more. Then hit generate. Picsart will create unique images based on your prompt. You can now edit, add text, or combine them into new projects. Once you're happy with it, click export to save or share. What's the wildest prompt you have ever tried with an AI generator? Let me know in the comments below. Add descriptors like cinematic, surreal, or minimal for more tailored results. And that's how you can use AI image generator in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.